6 reasons why Tampa homeowners choose Asphalt Shingles. Despite the many roofing options available, Asphalt Shingles remain the most popular choice among both homeowners and contractors across the Tampa Bay area. Here are 6 reasons why Tampa homeowners prefer Asphalt Shingles. Number 1. Affordability. Experienced roofers and home improvement experts know that Asphalt Shingles are the most cost-effective roofing option. Asphalt provides quality and durability at a reasonable price. A properly installed and well-maintained asphalt shingle roofing system can last up to 20 years or more. It offers weather, fire, and wind resistance without busting your budget. Number 2. Versatility. Asphalt shingles are known for their versatility. They're compatible with almost every kind of roof, even the large and complicated roofing systems. Number 3. Wide range of options. Another reason why asphalt shingles are popular is because they offer a wide range of color and design options, making it easier for homeowners to match the overall design of their homes. Affordable Roofing specializes in this material and proudly partners with GAF, the world's leading shingle manufacturer, to give you the widest selection of quality shingles on the market. Number 4. Energy efficiency. Not everyone is aware of this, but installing asphalt shingles can enhance your home's energy efficiency. GAF shingles are usually made with special granules, which contribute to reducing heat absorption. That means your HVAC doesn't need to overwork, allowing you to enjoy significant savings on your energy bills. Number 5. Easy to install. One more reason asphalt shingles are the preferred roofing option in Tampa, Florida, is that they're easy to install. This keeps labor costs down and shortens the installation time, so you can enjoy your new roof sooner. Number 6. System warranties. Most asphalt shingles manufacturers also offer enhanced warranties if the contractor is certified with their brand. In many cases, the warranty can cover materials and installation for up to 25 years. As you can see, installing asphalt shingles can provide you with several advantages. Just be sure to choose a reputable roofing contractor in Tampa. For a roofer you can trust, contact Affordable Roofing Systems. We offer complete roofing services, including new roof installation, roof replacement, and repairs. Call us now at 813-542-8462 to get a free quote. Affordable Roofing Systems, where quality and experience matter.